In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play a particular or a specific section of your video that you added in Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, I have here a video that I added to my Google Slides, but I'd like this video to only play from 1 minute here. As you can see, this is a 2 minutes and 16 seconds video, but I want only to play it from 1 minute here. Now to do that, it's quite simple. Just head over to this, start, and then click on it. Now here you can go ahead and change the time. I'll set it to begin playing from 1 minute, and then click on use current time like that. And as you can see, it automatically moves to the 1 minute mark. Now you can also decide whether you want it to play the rest of the clip or you want it to play to a particular time. For instance, I just want it to play up to the 2 minute mark. So I'll also go ahead and change this to 200 and I'll click outside to apply the changes, and now that has been applied. So if I go ahead and play this video, it will automatically begin playing from 1 minute mark. So let's go ahead and try AI vocal remover. If you click on it and look at that, it has begun exactly at 1 minute mark, and that is it. So that's how you can set playtime on videos that you added in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.